Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Webflow forms to trigger Zapier automations step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Webflow account. Navigate to the project where you want to set up the form. In the left sidebar, click on the Pages icon. Select the page that will contain your form. Click on the Add button in the toolbar. Drag the form element onto your page. Customize the form fields to gather the information you need. Label each field appropriately for user clarity. Ensure all necessary fields are marked as required. Next, go to the Form Settings panel in the right sidebar. Here, find the section labeled Action. In the Action URL field, enter the Zapier webhook URL you'll set up later. Now, head over to your Zapier account. Click on the Create Zap button to start a new automation. Choose Webhooks by Zapier as the trigger app. Select Catch Hook from the options provided. Zapier will generate a unique webhook URL for you. Copy this webhook URL to your clipboard. Return to your Webflow project and paste the webhook URL into the Action URL field. After setting up your form, publish your Webflow site to activate the changes. Once published, fill out the form on your live site to test it. Return to your Zapier dashboard and continue setting up your Zap. Zapier will prompt you to test the trigger. If successful, you'll see the data from your form submission. Now, proceed to choose the action app you want to connect. This could be an email service, a project management tool, or in CRM. Follow the prompts to set up the action based on your needs. Map the data fields from the Webflow form to the corresponding fields in your action app. Once finished, test the action to ensure everything flows smoothly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.